You shouldn't walk with things in your mouth. That's the rule. No walking with things in your mouth. Come on. Tyler, nope. We're going to get off the concrete. Tyler, hey, this is my son, and his favorite thing to put in his mouth is his socks. He takes them off and puts them in his mouth, although now he's going to stop. Oh, nope, there he goes. Okay, so we are practicing walking right now, which he wants to do with a sock in his mouth. Tyler, say hi, come on. Whoa! Too many things at once. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. Say hello. Say, I'm almost 1 year old. Can you say 1? No. Is your birthday gonna be in a couple weeks? Say 2 weeks, I'll be 1 year old. Come here, Tyler. Come here. Down we go. Anyway, that is Tyler and us practicing our walking. Tyler, get the kitty. Go get the kitty. Where's the kitty? That's a kitty? That's a kitty? You gonna get her? That's a kitty? Did you get the kitty? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You just did it. I missed it on camera. Tyler. 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 Say bye-bye. 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 No? Not gonna do it? No? Okay. Okay, this is the crazy ball that moves by itself. Don't buy it. It's creepy. Did you hit your toe? Yeah, Mama, huh? You're okay. Look at that red hair. Oh, okay, but you can do it. Come on. Oh, you see the camera again, huh? Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say bye-bye. No? You can't get it. You can't reach it. I'm not even in it. Come here. It's okay. You're alright. You can do it. You don't need me. See? Tyler, come here. You can do it. Whoa. You gotta turn your feet first before you start going. It's okay. You're alright. Good job! Look at you go! Be easier if you'd stop dragging a rope that trips you. Good job! Tyler. Kisses, mwah. Kisses, mwah. Mwah. Give me a kiss, mwah. One more kiss, mwah. Mwah. How do you brush your hair, Tyler? How do you brush your hair? Can I see you brush your hair? How are you brushing your hair? Oops, I forgot that. Brush your hair. Let me see you brush your hair. Can I see it? Where are you going? Yeah? Not so close. Brush your hair. Let me see you brush your hair. Are you brushing your hair?